Hey lovelies, Cilla here. Today's video is going to be a short one. I'll be showing you essential pattern drafting tools every beginner should have. In no particular order, I'll be listing out these tools. Number one on the list is measuring tape. This one is very important because it helps you take accurate body measurements. And I advise you have at least two. Next on the list is your pencil, your sharpener, and your eraser. Of course, you need the pencil to draw lines, you need the eraser to make corrections, and you need your sharpener to sharpen your pencil once it's blunt. The next on the list is rulers. So for the rulers, we have the straight rulers, we have the curved rulers. Now for the straight rulers, you would need a long length and one with an average length like so. I would also advise that you buy a short one. So this one is about 1 inch wide in width, okay? And it's very useful for taking some kind of measurements. Moving on, we have the L square. So with the L square, you can achieve right angles. So if you want to have a line that is perfectly straight, that means a perfect straight line, you need the L square. Next, we have the curve rulers, and this one is a French curve. It is used for achieving the MO curve and the neckline curve. We have the hip curve. It's used for shaping out your side seam and shaping out the hip. You can also use it for armholes and necklines. This one is a pant curve used when drafting your pants. And this one is very curved. You can use it for skirts, you can use it for pants, you can use it to achieve various type of curved lines. Next on the list is the pattern master. So the pattern master is a very multifunctional type of ruler because in it you have the French curve, you have the L square part, you have the hip curve part. So with this one ruler, you can achieve what the other 5 to 6 rulers I've mentioned previously. Okay, so it is a must-have because of how multifunctional it is. Next, you would need scissors. I would always advise you have 2 scissors, one for cutting fabric, the other for cutting paper. Next is tracing wheel for tracing out your pattern to a fresh pattern paper. Next on the list is your masking tape for joining pattern pieces together. We have the tailor's chalk. Let's say you want to draft your pattern directly onto your fabric, then you need a tailor's chalk. Next on the list is push pin. Push pin, you need it when manipulating your darts or when transferring darts or marking out darts, okay? Next, we have the mathematical set. This one is very essential. In it has different elements like this compass for drawing perfect circles. So you should get one for yourself. And lastly, we have pattern paper. Of course, you need pattern paper to draft your pattern. Although everything I've mentioned on this list, they are important, they are essential, they all have their role to play. I'm going to go further to break this list into a smaller list just in case you cannot afford to buy everything. Okay, so the next slide, which is this slide, everything on this list is very important. You should get them because you need them. So as time goes on, you can then choose to add more to the list, okay? But to get you started, you need everything listed on this slide. Well, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, remember to leave a comment for me, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and remember to turn on the notification so you do not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Till then, keep creating and have a lovely day.